Assalamualaikum and hi to my fellow friends, especially to our beloved lecturer Ms. Farisha Nadia. Today we want to present about technique sampling in article, subject basic research skills. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nur Fadilatul Ashrin binti Yunus.
My name is Nur Syafika binti Rasul.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Azmi Mariana binti Basirun.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Emma Zirawati binti Anwar.
We are from section 64.
Sampling is the process of selecting a group of individuals from a population to study them and characterize the population as a whole. The article that we choose is the relationship between the implication of adopting and implementing electronic human resource management practice on job performance, and the other one is the rise of HR analytics, exploring its implication from a development country perspective. Okay, now I will talk about objective in article. In Article A, this has strategic implication for business to gain competitive advantage. Second, the objective of the study is to investigate the implication of HR analytics in a development country. Third, adopting a qualitative approach to research and using a thematic analysis. And the last is the study indicate that HR analytics make employees searching meaningful toward employee performance. Objective Article B. Article B, past literature support positive link between electronic human resource management practice and job performance. Second, poor application of EHRM practice in the Nigerian public sector result in poor job performance and unwholesome ethical practice. Third, as a result, calls for further research have been suggested, particularly on the direct process through which the adoption and implementation of EHRM practice.
Okay, today I want to present about technical sample, Article A. The purposive sample technical, which is a non-probability sample technical, was used to select the respondent for the study. Second, non-responsibility sample is definition has a sample technical in which the researcher selects sample. Third, purposive sample makes it easy for the researcher to select case, the will answer and research question to achieve the research objective. Okay, and the last of Article A, the qualitative research intimate that a simple size that ranges for 15 to 30 is needed to inspire confidence in data collect. And technical sample Article B, the study uses a simple random sampling types. A simple random sample is randomly select subset of the population. Second, in the sample method, each member of the population has a exactly equal chance of being selected. Third, this method is the important straightforward for all the probability sample method, since it only involves a single random selection and require little advanced knowledge about the population. And the last, because it uses randomization, any research performance on this sample should have high internal and external validity.
Okay, next is finding article A. A comparative study between public and private organization that has adopted HR analytic using the quantitative approach can be considered by focusing on the individual HR process to evaluate its effect on the bottom line and business performance. Second, a longitudinal approach to search for the meanings and values associated with HR analytic and HR practice is worth exploring. Third is the Employers Associations, Ghana Employers Association, and other organization bodies through the findings of this study can educate its member on the benefits HR analytic can bring to their business to make them more effective, efficient, and value-driven. Next is finding article B. First is the present study aim to investigate how certain EHRM practice can influence task, contextual, adaptive, performance, and counterproductive work behavior of employees in the context of tertiary institution. Second is the research attempted to explore the direct relationship between EHRM practice, including training, e-communication and e-compensation and e-performance appraisal with job performance. Third is task performance is operationalized as the behavior of an employee that are within his or her job description. And the last is, in respect to task performance and adaptive performance, the findings of the study reveal that all the 4 EHRM practice, with exception of e-performance appraisal, had significant positive influence on task and adaptive performance.
I want to present about similarities or difference. Article A, the purposive sampling technique, which is a non-probability sampling technique, was used to select the respondent for the study. Purposive sampling makes it easier for the research to select cases that will answer the research question to achieve the research objective. About Article B, this study uses a simple random sampling type. A simple random sample is a randomly selected subset of a population. In this sampling method, each member of the population has an exactly equal chance of being selected. This method is the most straightforward of all the probability sampling method. Next, strength. First, technique sampling, Article A. Getting responses using non-probability sampling is faster and more cost-effective than probability sampling because the sample is known to the researchers. The respondent respond quickly as compared to people randomly selected, as they have a high motivation level to participate. Second, technique sampling, about Article B. It is non-technical. This method of sampling doesn't require any technical knowledge because of its simplicity. It doesn't require intricate expertise and is not at all lengthy.
Okay, the last is conclusion. In the conclusion of probability random sampling is more preferable because the research gathered is data of the use of interpopulation by using probabilistic method to control based during the sampling. Based on the evidence generated of the agency of statistical official that the non-probability technical is based on purpose that led to assumption which relating to risk. First article, which is a human resource analysis, has shown to improve the contribution of HR to the bottom line. The goals of the analysis to examine the consequences of HR analysis in Ghana, developing nation. Second article, the implication of adopting and implementing electric human resource management practice of the job performance.